So today we'll try to understand the demo. it disabled?
PowerPoint. If you disable one, I think we are in presentation.
Huh?
We are in presentation.
Then why you are not telling the screen is off means? Okay. So now we are able to see it, right? Okay. Good, good, good. Now we have here, what I prepared is, we prepared here one Excel. What I did is, let me repeat it. We prepared one Excel, whatever you provide the data, with the data we prepared one Excel, we prepared it. I taken the data from you people and I prepared one Excel. In that Excel, I have the data about your name, about your name, about your skill, about your experience. I have the Excel. This one I saved it as a test. I saved on the desktop. Then I opened Tableau. I opened. That's what Tableau Desktop. What I have here. Then in the Tableau Desktop, initially the Tableau Desktop will be looks like this. Looks like this. Okay. Here I clicked on the Excel. Then it is asking me what you want to develop it. I can take a test, and I am going to develop the report. If you have, let us say, proper things are available, proper data sets are available. For example, I am going to the Tableau. There I prepared some data is available. Let's say I am going to the lab data. You are experienced with the Scott data, right? I would like to take a Scott table, EMP table, and DP table. Automatically we got here join. Based on the DPT number is equal to DPT number, we got it. Type of join is inner join. And if we go to the sheet 1 here, whatever we have it, let us go to the sheet 1 here, whatever we have it, and I am trying to take here dname column, then I am trying to take here salary column. Then we got here one graph, one table we got here, right? Suppose if I want to see that one in the pie chart, suppose I want to see in that one in the pie chart, I am able to see it or not? Yes. Suppose I want to see in the some column chart, some bar chart, I can go and I can play around it and I can see the whatever type of data I want it, I can see it. That means beautiful report we are able to develop very quickly or not? Very quickly we are able to develop the beautiful report. That's what we are trying to tell here. Tableau enables user to quickly see and understand their data by automatically turning data into pictures. Same job if I want to do in OBIEE tool. First I have to take this Excel into the semantic layer. One layer is available. That is physical layer, BMM layer, presentation layer. Then we have to develop the report. There is no concept of semantic layer in our case. There is no concept of semantic layer in our Tableau. Am I clear, folks, this point?
Yes.
Right. Now, why this is very good in the market? What market is expecting from any business intelligence tool? What market is expecting from any business intelligence tool? Number one is the work should be very fast. Nowadays, people are not ready to say, hey, I am giving project today. Okay, the duration of project is 1 year, like that they are not giving. They are giving, let's say, 1 month is the project duration. So because of that one, we want a tool. Using that tool, we should be able to finish our development as soon as possible. That is, in the fast track mode, we should be able to develop the things. Yes, we saw now Tableau is the tool. I developed the report within no time. I developed it. Within no time, I developed it. That's what I can say. It is fast. Second is what? Cost effective. If you go and try to see the licensing part of this one, comparatively other tools, the licensing part is very less. If you go and try to see Google, Then licensing part, Tableau license cost. If you see Tableau license cost, $1,000, 9999 means what? Nearly $1,000 per user. Tableau Desktop, this much of cost. $1,000 is not a big deal for real company. Okay, and if you take the same kind of things with respect to others like OBIEE or SAP Business Objects or Cognos, those things we compare, those things will be comparatively 5 or 6 times more. 5 or 6 times more. That's what people are looking for, cost effective solutions. Cost is not only with respect to the license, human power, let us say manpower. Here I can develop a report within no time. There I need to develop the report means I require the more manpower I require. Here I am able to do some work within 1 hour. There same work if I want to do it means I may require 2 hours I require it. 2 hours I may be required it. Okay, that's what the problem whatever we have with the other tools we compare it. For example, anyhow I have here the tool, this is called as OBIEE is the tool is available. If I want to do some small work I have to do it. First I have to develop one thing that is called as RPD, I have to develop it. What I have to develop? RPD, that is nothing but called as semantic layer, I have to develop it. This is the OBIEE corresponding tool. In the OBIEE, any work if you want to do it, in the OBIEE, any work you want to do it, first you have to develop here, this is called as RPD, you have to develop it. You have to develop what? RPD. Once we have this RPD, physical layer, BMM layer like that, what we are doing here, we are taking the required tables here. If I want to develop same report, dname wise, salary, I have to develop it. Then first I have to right click here, then I have to import the tables. I have to import those tables here. Once I imported, then I have to move into this layer, then this layer, then I have to go for the reporting. Then I have to go for the reporting. This much of work I have to do it. Okay, let us go and try to do it. One moment, it is giving some error. Let me debug that one. The problem is we given here DSN name we given. Let me change this one. Forget about it. Whatever I am doing this navigation, it's not required. It's not required. It's not required. Navigation is not required. Just finally, how easy to develop in our Tableau we have to understand. Right. Now I need to do the same dname wise salary I have to do using some other tool that is called as OBIEE. Then I have to first import those tables whatever we have it. What are the two tables I want it? EMP table and DP table I want to import it. Once I import it, then I have to verify the join condition properly happened or not. Once join is happened properly, then I have to move into the next layer, BMM layer, next layer, presentation layer, then that will appear for the reporting. That will appear for the reporting. Let us see that one. Shortly it is going to come. Shortly it is going to come. It is opening. Okay. Now this is where we have the start, From here, I need to take care two things. One is EMP and DEPT tables. Then those things will be into the repository. It is called as what? Repository. This repository, whatever available, that is nothing but whatever we are seeing, these three layers together is called as repository. Repository file it is called as repository file. This repository file itself is not there in Tableau. That means the semantic layer is not there in the Tableau. The semantic layer is not there in the Tableau. Directly we are trying to develop the reports from the database. We are trying to develop the reports. Okay, we are going to see it. It's importing. Now it is imported. We are trying to click on finish. Now once we got this card, first we have to move this card from here to here. We have to move it. Now once we moved it from here to here, we have to move it. Then once we moved it, then we have to go for check-in changes. Then it is going into the server. Once it is going into the server, then we can open the browser. Then we can open the browser. Let us say analytics is the browser. Then we are trying to log in. What it is called as? What tool? OBIEE, Oracle Business Intelligence tool. Then if you see here, new analysis, whatever we developed here, the Scott, which is available here, then I have to take here one column called as dname, second column called as salary, then I have to develop the things. Now I am seeing here dname and salary, but it is automatically not happened. What is this? Summary. I want to get the summary, then again I have to modify something. Where I have to modify? In back we have to modify and we have to provide this aggregation rule. Even this kind of work also I didn't do in case of my Tableau, right? Without doing this all work, directly I was able to see the dname wise data. We are able to see it. Okay. Once we do anything changes over there, we have to reload here. Then we have to refresh here. Now we are able to see it. This one, if I want to see in the form of pie chart, then I have to go for here. There is an option called as graphs. Then there is an option called as pie. Now I have to see here in the pie chart format. I have to see it. So lot of work, right? Lot of work. That all work we don't have here. Directly we are trying to develop the report. Same kind of behavior is available with even Power BI. If you go for here, this is a Power BI. Power BI also will follow similar behavior as Tableau is doing. Power BI is a tool which is from the Microsoft. Okay, now let's say if you go for here, get the data, then I am trying to take here, let's say Excel file, and the Excel file we are trying to take here from the Google Drive, from the master lab copy, from the Tableau, from the lab data. You have experience with the Scott data, so I would like to take only Scott data. Then we have here so 3 tables. Out of these 3 tables, I need here 2 tables. 2 tables I am taking, I am loading. Then those things are coming in. Then automatically system will create the joins. If you don't like those things, we can go and we can change those things. Now I want here column dname. Immediately dname is appearing. I want the column, let us say salary. Automatically sigma is came and salary is coming. And if I want to see this one in the form of pie chart, I can go and I can see in the form of pie chart. So Power BI and Tableau both are looking like similar or not? Similar. These two are latest tools in the market. These two are latest tools in the market. Remaining tools, whatever we have, like OBIEE is the one tool. Cognos is the one tool. Business Objects is the one tool. Those all are old tools. Those all things required to develop first semantic layer. Then we need to develop what? Reports. Here, there is no semantic layer. Directly we are trying to develop the reports. I hope I am clear with one point now. What I want to say is, what is it is? Cost effective, not only with respect to license, with respect to the manpower. With respect to the manpower. What we say, Edger? Is it true? I shown same.
True.
tools I shown it, how it is working, right? What about
Yes,
Java?
sir.
Is it cost effective or not?
Cost effective.
Yes, with respect to the two parameters, one is what? License. Second is what? Labor. That means nothing but manpower. Manpower. Third is everyone. Everyone means what here? I know in front of me one resource is available is a CRM, customer relationship tools. He worked on it. And I may have one layman just he completed the MBA, Masters in Business he completed. And I have a resource who don't know about the computer. But still, with little training, you can go and you can develop the tool in, report in the Tableau very easily. If I want to do the same work in OBIEE, then what I have to do? First, I have to explain what it is, what is the difference among these three things. Then how to what I am doing here. I did something check-in. What do you mean by check-in? These all things I have to explain. So one normal guy is not a technical guy, he is a normal guy, then you need to understand these many things means he will tell, no man, I cannot understand. But here, that kind of headache is not there. Everyone with little training, we are able to work on the Tableau. Suppose a resources came on the bench. We need not give the much time to that guy. I can give, hey, I'm giving couple of days to you. This is the Tableau tool. These are self-learning videos, or this guy is a tutor. Help him and try to learn within 2 days. Yes, he can learn. If really has the knowledge on some other tool or not, doesn't matter. As long as tutor is good and he is willing to learn, then he can learn very quickly. He can learn it. Next is easy. That's what we are here. We are not going to write anyone single line of code also we are not going to write here. It's not a core Java, it's not a C++ or VB, no code we are going to write here. Just now we developed a report. In this report, really I didn't run anything, right? Okay. Even if you want to communicate with the Oracle database or anything also, quickly you can go and you can communicate and you can develop the reports. Okay, I don't have the access here in this particular tool. Okay, anyhow. Next one, that's what the meaning of here, easy. Next one is available secure. It is secure. Secure meaning, if I have, let us say one report is available. That report need to see only USA managers, not the India managers. I can go and I can give a security. I have one report that needs to access by USA people as well as India people. But USA guys need to see only USA data. India guys need to see only India data. That kind of security also happily I can go and I can provide it. So there is no compromising in the security. Security we can go and we can achieve as industry expectations. As per industry expectations, I can go and I can get it. Okay, that's what I am trying to tell in this meaning of secure. I will show you the secure how it is going to work. This VM is starting. Once this VM is started, I am going to explain that. Okay, I will show you the security how we are going to implement it. It may be data level, or it may be object level, or it may be third-party integrations also possible in our tool. Am I clear?
Yes.
Right. It is opening. Actually, I thought of showing that security part how we are going to handling it.
So why the VM is starting? Is there any disadvantage or Tableau?
Yeah, this
so why waiting for
Tableau.
start? Is there any advantage for Tableau with respect to other tools?
So this VM RRITEC prepared. This VM RRITEC prepared by installing the Tableau software. You got my point?
Yeah. I was just asking if there was any disadvantage.
Any advantage, right?
Disadvantage, the opposite.
Any disadvantage? Because I see that it is actually loading the data that you bring in. It does not work with the metadata. Would that not be a performance issue?
Okay. So because of this Tableau, do you have any performance issue you're asking, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Of course, if you go for the big set of data, because in the runtime only, we are doing everything, calculations or whatever it is, those things. Big data models we are trying to achieve in the Tableau or Power BI, it is a bit complex work, but still we can manage it, but it's not as comfortable as other tools, OBIEE, BO, those things are doing. It's not that comfortable. But people are still managing in the Tableau and Power BI and they are able to achieve those kind of things also. We'll see that more details in the down the line. Okay, right.
Okay, sir.
Throughout my course, I will be comparing this Tableau with OBIEE or whatever regular tools we have it. I will be comparing and I will be telling the differences so that will be up to mark. I will be giving that kind of education to you. Don't worry.
Okay, sir.
Right. Now we understand now it is secured one. It is secured one. So who need to access, what you need to access, what rows you need to access, everything we have the control. Three levels of the security we have it. That is user level security, object level security, data level security. In technical words, authentication it is called as. Second is object level authorization. Third one is data level authorization. All the things we are going to provide here. And everywhere, matter of URL. We can type the URL and you can go and you can get it, your reports, wherever you are located, doesn't matter. If you have the internet and you have the browser, then that's it. We can go and you can access your reports. That's what market is expecting. That's what we have in Tableau. That's what market is expecting. That's what we have in the Tableau, or in fact Power BI also. That's what we can say. That's what you can say. These are good tools. These are good tools. Are you with me? Right. All these 8 properties we are going to support it. Sorry, 6 properties we are going to support it. Next point. If you see the next one, Tableau Visual Intelligence Platform. Closely if you observe here, first one, what is available here? Desktop. What is the purpose of desktop? Create. That means we can create the reports. If your resume is talking about you are a developer, then we are going to work most of your job with the desktop only. If you want, I can show that one how it looks like. Are you seeing on my desktop? Are you seeing anywhere here? Desktop, are you seeing a Tableau desktop? Are you seeing Tableau desktop here? Yes. Whatever we have here, this Tableau is called as Tableau desktop only. The version is available. Tableau 10.2 is the version what we have it. Tableau 10.2 is the version, and that is the latest version in fact. Tableau desktop is the latest version. Latest version is 10.2 is the latest version. And the Tableau desktop professional edition we opened. Now in this one, I have here options to communicate with what? I can communicate Excel, test file, MS Access, and what else you want here. You can go and you can see n number of things are available here. See here, you name one database. I can find here. You want here Teradata? Yes, I have. You want here Oracle? Yes, I have. You want to communicate with the Hadoop? Then we do have that Hadoop plugins are available. We can go and you can see here what is this? Cloud Era Hadoop. If you want to communicate with some kind of let us say what it is, map or Hadoop Hive, that also available. Some Spark, some Salesforce, what else not there here? Everything is available. That means Tableau is designed to develop the reports from any specific database or any database. I want you to interact more instead of me talking more.
Any database.
Any database. Let me develop a simple report. Let us say I want to communicate with a database called as you all love Oracle, so go with the Oracle. Why? Because you people are saying as you worked on the OBIEE. So let me go with the Oracle. What it is asking, sir? Server name. My server name is WarCL. My username is Scott. My password is Tiger. I am providing those things. I am signing in. Happily, I am able to sign in. Then I want here one table EMP and I want here other table called as DEPT. I double clicked here. Then we are seeing here work. Then I am going for the what is this? Some sheet 1 is available. Sheet 1. Forget about it. Navigation. Forget about it. Just overall we are seeing here. Overall we are seeing here what exactly we are going to learn down the line. I am taking here D name and what is this? Salary. And if I want, let us say E name also I want it, then I can go and I can take here E name also. Then D name, E name and salary we are seeing. I want a, let us say one prompt I want to create on the D name I want to create one prompt. Then I am able to see here one filter. If I select here, automatically the data values are changing or not? The data values are changing. The data values are changing. Okay, we developed here one thing. Where we developed this report? Where you developed this report? Tableau Desktop. Tableau Desktop using what we are creating? We are creating a report. We are creating. If your job role is Tableau developer, then where you are going to work mostly? Tableau Desktop you are going to work. If your job role is developer, you are going to spend your 90% of your job in where? Tableau Desktop. Now tell me this report, you developed it, excellent. If you want, you can go and you can save it also. File menu, save. I am saving, let us say my desktop. Where is that? My desktop. I am giving the name as, let us say, demo. I saved it. Now where is my report is available? You can see here, this is what my report is available. Demo. Is it my business user is going to access this one? How he will access my desktop? He cannot access. He cannot access my desktop, so he cannot enjoy this report. He has to enjoy my developed report. Then what I supposed to do? I have to publish this one. I have to publish this one to server. Where I have to publish? Server. In my mission, server also installed. That is the reason I have the option to publish it. What is server version? 10.1. And desktop version, server version should be in same page. In same page. This also 10.2. That also 10.2. That is the reason I am able to publish it. I have 10 developers. Then 10 desktops are going to install it. But how many servers are going to install? Only one server we are going to install. All 10 developers, they will develop their own work. End of the day, they have to publish into server. They have to publish into server. Let us say how to publish it. If you want to publish, first you have to sign in. In my case, already it is signed in using what user? Ramreddy user. In previous batch, I already signed it. That is the reason system remembered it. Okay, if you want to sign out, let us sign out, no problem. I signed out. Then again I am trying to sign in here. First you have to sign in. If you are trying to sign in, then it is asking where is our server and what port it is installed. What is username? What is password? Password is RRITEC 123 is the password. It is downloaded by RRITEC, right? We given password like that. Then I am trying to click on here, sign in. Beautiful. Now it is going to sign in here and is going to show you it is what? Signed in. Signed in. Now I want to publish this workbook. Whenever I clicked on the publish workbook, it is asking publish workbook to where? Where is publishing Edger job?
Tableau Server.
Publishing to the Tableau server we are publishing. From where to where? Tableau desktop to server. Nothing but my desktop. In my own laptop, in my own hard disk, whatever we have the copy that we are publishing into server. Now let me click on here, publish. We have so many options are available like permissions, those things. We'll deal those all things later point of time. Who can access, who cannot access, those all things we can control here. Okay, I'll deal those all things later. At this point of time, I'm not touching it. Publish it. I published. Can I get it that one? Can I go and can I see some place? Yes. Automatically it is opened. What it is opened? What it is? Tableau server. What is saying? Demo has been published. My report name is demo. Demo has been published. If you go to the default, sorry. Any questions? Yeah, I have here demo. I am trying to click on your sheet 1. Then we are able to see. You are able to see your report, whatever you developed it. It is asking the name. It is asking. Let me provide here login ID. What is this? ROM. And password is RR capital, ITC small 123. Now I am trying to log in. I am trying to log in into the server. I am trying to log in into the server. I am trying to log in. Then it is going to open shortly. Our report it is going to open. Now it is a URL based, right? If I share this URL to the some user, he can access it or not? Did he need to install any software in his laptop? No. No need to install any single software in that guy laptop. Directly can use this URL and you can access it. And you know what? If you have the mobiles, open your Google Play in Android mobiles. In iOS, Apple mobiles, if you open the App Store, there is a one app is available. There is a one app is available that is called as Tableau app is available. If you have that, if you have chance, you can go and you can open that one and you can see it. So using that one, you can access using Tableau mobile. These are things using also you can access your report. So that's what I am trying to tell it. Let us go and try to observe what we are doing. We are creating in the desktop. We are publishing into where? Server. That we are accessing using what? Mobile or what? Web. That means URL based. Even as usual, if you have the desktop, you can access using desktop also. No problem. So if you're putting your resume, as a developer, you are putting your resume. You are going to work majorly with the desktop. If you are putting your resume as admin, we are going to do what? Different users are going to create it and different permissions are going to provide it. For example, you want to provide some permissions. That permissions may be with respect to any permission. Suppose you want to provide only what is this? View. What is this? Download. What is this? Download summary data, comments, add comment, filtering, downloading full data. These all things are available for which user what you want to provide. You can go and you can select it and you can provide that one. These all work. Who is going to do it? Admin. So if you are putting your profile as a admin, where you are going to work with? Where you are going to work with, sir? Tableau Server. What is this? Tableau Server you are going to work with. So in Tableau, mainly how many roles we have? Developer. Developer is going to work where? Yes, please go on mute. If you're not speaking.
Desktop.
Now, Tableau administrator is going to work where? Server. Once we publish
Service.
that one, can be accessed by business users. Who is this? Who are going to work here? Business users are going to work here. Okay, I hope this window is very clear now. In the desktop, developer is working. In the server, admin is working. In the mobile, who is working? Business user. Our end user is working over there. End user is working over there. I think now we got the clear picture. Total our course, we are going to see only two windows. One window is what window? Tableau Desktop window. Tableau Desktop window, we are going to learn about it. Only this one window. Second window is what? This window, Tableau Server window. If you know these two windows, Tableau is completed. Tableau is completed. Similarly, in case of Power BI also, Power BI also only two windows. One window is Power BI Desktop. Whatever I've opened, actually this is called as Power BI Desktop only. It's called as what? Power BI Desktop only. Once we developed everything, we are going to do what? We are going to publish it. Where we are going to publish? This is what it is, Power BI Desktop. Once you save it, we are going to, we can go and we can publish this one into server. You can publish it. That server is called as actually a service. It's called as what? Service. And the service is providing by Microsoft. God is saying success. If you want to open, you can open. Okay, publish it to the Power BI. If you want to open this one, you can open. Again, it is opened using what tool it is? Microsoft. It is asking username and password. I am trying to log in here. My info@rritec.com is the username. My password is, I given something. I am trying to log in here. Then I am making here, keep in signed in, click on sign in. Then you can notice here, happily we are able to see where you are seeing it. URL or it's a desktop? URL. Whatever you open this one, if you go and try to see here, help, about, it is called as Power BI service actually. It's called as what? Power BI service. That is Power BI service is a web-based one. Here also two things only available. What are the two things? One is desktop. Second is Power BI service. Power BI service. Power BI service. Okay, that means this Tableau and Power BI both are looking like similar tools, right? If you learn one, other one is free. If you learn one, other one is free. Why? Because anyhow I am going to touch here and there. That tool I will open, this tool I will open. So you will be getting awareness of both the tools you get it. Are you getting my point, sir?
Yes, yes.
Yes, excellent. Now, I hope this slide is very clear for you. Now, as time is considered, we don't have much time to learn other slides. We completed today 3 slides. What is Tableau? And what is market is expecting? And what is exactly Tableau components? I think these 3 slides are very clear. And we got one overall understanding what is Tableau is exactly and what you are going to do. And now let us go for, you should not listen the words of a normal resource like me. I am a normal resource only, right? Why Tableau is good, we have to listen. Why Tableau is good, we have to listen. Industry experts. We have one guy, that guy is called as Gartner. Even you can go and you can Google it. I am going to the Google. Let's go for Gartner. Then Magic Quadrant for BI tools tools, I am writing. Then I am going for here some images. We got here one image. We got here one image. This image is in which year, sir? 2014 year I got. What? Where is the Tableau? First place.
First.
Wow, excellent. It is in first place. Now let me go for one more image. This is which image? In which year image it is? Sorry. It is which year? 2015. Where is this Tableau? Where is Tableau? Top.
First.
Which is which coordinator? Leaders coordinator.
Leader.
Now let us go and try to see one more thing. We have here one more thing. What is this? 2013. 2013 also where it is? Tableau. And one more thing is what is this? Microsoft.
Microsoft.
Okay. Now one more thing is available here. I think 2016. Okay. Here we have 2016 also available. View this image. 2016 also where it is available. Are able to see it?
No, sir.
You're not able to see it? Okay.
No, we can't see.
Okay. What I will do is I will try to write like directly. I have recorded it 2016. I'll write it so that I'll get other image. Second one. Which year it is? Yeah, year February 2016 we have it. Okay. Now you can see here, of course, we are seeing right. What is this? Tableau. What is this? Microsoft. So these tools are famous in the market. If you go and try to observe the official website of the Tableau, Guys, cannot speaking, please go on mute. That's will be very good. If you want to speak, you can unmute it. No problem. If you see the official website of tableau.com, enter, then we can see somewhere we have here support, community, learning, solutions, products, about. They used to provide in the first page. They removed that logo, I think. Gartner Magic Quadrant 2017. Okay, 2017 also. Where it is? Tableau. Top. Microsoft also in the top. So now we got one clarity. What is my initial today's question? Today you are going to understand Tableau is different from how it is different from other tools. Yes, we saw that one. In OBIEE, if you want to develop a small report, you did a lot of work. But in the Tableau, you didn't do that work. And second question I said, who is the good competitor in down the line? That also we are seeing here. Who is that? Microsoft. That tough competition is going here between these two guys. That words I am not delivering it. That's words I am not delivering it. Who is this? Company. This is not even Tableau also not delivering it. It is delivering by Gartner. He is a analyst of all the tools. And here one more point written here. What is this? 5 years a leader, 5 reasons why. Okay, that means you are trying to tell from 2014, 15, 16, 17, 13. Everything is what? Leader. I think I did my demo. That's what my initial question. I am able to answer my initial question. And we prepared here excellent notes we prepared. Each and everything hands-on wise we prepared excellent notes. Using these notes anyone can understand very quickly. For example, any one topic you try to take here. For example, today I explained data security, Tableau server, those things, users, those things, right? If you go for data security is the one thing. I am trying to explain here. What is data security, how many ways are available to do that one, what do you mean by manual method, how to do the manual method, the steps, and how to do the security in a method of what is this dynamic method, and what are the steps are available. Everything is available screenshot wise. It is available. As it is available screenshot wise, are you in a position to do your own work or not? Folks, are you with me?
Yes.
So that's what I am here. I am promising you, I'll make you as a developer role, as admin role, you will fit the day one onwards. The day one onwards, you can apply job role as a developer or job role as admin. You can apply and you can survive in the job, no problem. That much of experience I am going to give here. Everything is created here, scenario based only we created, just like that we are not doing here. Okay, any chapter you are trying to take here, we prepared the notes as a scenario based only, we prepared it. We prepared the scenario based so that we will be able to understand. For example, any one concept you are taking here. Any one concept you are taking, first we are going to explain here what you mean by set. And first one, what is this? Top 10 customer sales, one exercise. Second one we have here, top 10 customer sales dynamic, one more exercise. And third one we have here, show pie chart employees as top 5, top 6 to 10, like that. 4 or 5 exercises we given in each thing, so that you will be up to mark. Am I clear, folks? I think I did my demo, and we are going to share these all videos also. We are going to share to you people. Okay, all the videos we are going to share to you people so that you can listen the second time. Those all things you can do it. But sharing will be from my website. It will happen. From my website it will happen. Due to the security reasons we are giving like that. And if you have any questions, yes, you can go with the questions now. It's the time for questions. Any questions, please?
Yes, sir. I have a question. I mean, I understand what is the language behind Tableau. I know when it comes to OBIEE, we know it is SQL behind it. What language is behind the tool?
Okay, Tableau
it would be
OBIEE where it is, right?
Yes, sir.
I can say OBIEE advantage over Tableau. That's what you are looking for, right?
Yes.
Right. Modeling. If I need to work with 100 tables, that is difficult in Tableau. That is difficult in Tableau. But we can do that one very easily here. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. One moment, folks. One moment. Hello. Yeah, I sir. Hello. చెప్పండి సార్. ఒక్క నిమిషం సార్, నేను ఫోన్ చేస్తాను. ఒక్క నిమిషం సార్. Yeah, any other questions, sir?
Sir, here we don't have any services like OBIEE. We are having like OBIEE WebLogic services, OBMN services. Like this, we do have any services in Tableau?
That I am going to explain the regular course. I am going to explain it.
Okay, sir.
I'm going to explain.